Hey there, nerd fighters. It's your old pal, your name here, but you can call me emgotv1, coming at you live from my basement, a time capsule of 1980s awesomeness. Today, we're diving into the rad world of 1980s sitcoms where big hair and neon met humor tackling serious social issues. These shows used laughter to spark conversations and challenge the status quo during a time of major social and political change. First up, The Cosby Show. Despite the complicated legacy of Bill Cosby, the show had a groundbreaking impact. A successful African-American family on primetime TV, the Huxtables challenged stereotypes and tackled issues like education and racial pride with humor and heart. Beyond the laughs, The Cosby Show opened up a dialogue about race and representation in America. It celebrated Black excellence and showed that families come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Next, we're bellying up to the bar at Cheers. This iconic sitcom, set in a cozy Boston bar, was a masterclass in character development. Cheers was about community and finding a place where you belonged, even if it was a little rough around the edges. The show tackled heavy topics like alcoholism and relationships, reminding us that everyone carries their own baggage. Sometimes the best way to deal with that baggage is to share a laugh with friends. If you grew up in the 80s, you wanted to be adopted by the Keatons. Family Ties wasn't just about heartwarming moments and Alex P. Keaton's obsession with Ronald Reagan. It explored the generational divide in 1980s America with humor and heart. Stephen and Elise, former hippies turned liberal parents, navigated the world of their conservative son, Alex. Family Ties reminded us that even when we disagree with loved ones, there's still love and understanding to be found. Different Strokes tackled tough issues head-on. This sitcom about two young black boys adopted by a wealthy white widower was groundbreaking. It brought issues like race, class, and privilege to the forefront, using humor to spark important conversations. Despite its flaws, Different Strokes gave us moments of genuine heart and honesty. It reminded us that even in adversity, love and understanding can prevail. Designing Women was a masterclass in Southern wit and wisdom. Four women running an interior design firm in Atlanta tackled issues like sexism, racism, and LGBTQ+ rights with humor. The show reminded us that women could be successful, powerful, and hilarious. Plus, it gave us Julia Sugarbaker a reason to celebrate this show. The Golden Girls proved that laughter and wisdom get better with age. This sitcom, about four older women sharing a house in Miami, tackled issues like ageism and LGBTQ+ rights with humor and heart. Dorothy, Rose, Blanche, and Sophia challenged stereotypes and showed that life after 50 could be full of love and laughter, and of course, cheesecake. Night Court found humor in the criminal justice system. Judge Harry Stone and his quirky courtroom tackled serious issues like homelessness and mental health with comedic chaos. The show reminded us that even in absurd situations, there's room for compassion and humanity. Night Court was pure comedic chaos with a heart. Roseanne was a game changer. This sitcom about a working-class family in Lanford, Illinois, depicted the realities of working-class life with raw honesty. Roseanne Barr's humor challenged the traditional sitcom mom stereotype. The show tackled issues like unemployment and healthcare, resonating with millions of viewers. It reminded us that even in adversity, there's always room for laughter and love. Alf was pure 80s escapism. This sitcom about a furry, cat-eating alien had surprisingly poignant things to say about acceptance and tolerance. ALF reminded us that family comes in all shapes and sizes, even if covered in orange fur. Murphy Brown was way ahead of its time. This sitcom about a single, career-driven journalist challenged traditional gender roles and tackled political issues with wit. Candice Bergen's Murphy Brown was a fiercely independent woman who refused to be defined by societal expectations. The show reminded us that women could be funny, smart, successful, and a little bit messy. So there you have it, nerd fighters. A trip down memory lane to revisit iconic 1980s sitcoms. These shows tackled real-world issues with humor, heart, and a lot of hairspray. They taught us to laugh at ourselves, embrace our differences, and fight for what we believe in. What was your favorite 80s sitcom? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to emgotv1 for more rad TV history. Until next time, DFTBA.